Napoleon was not short. That is the least wrong history fact you still believe right now. The last one on this list is taught in every single school. You will want to argue when you hear it. Stay through all 7. First, Vikings never wore horned helmets. Not once, not in battle, not for ceremonies. There is zero archaeological evidence for this. Every image you've seen comes from an 1876 opera costume designer. That's it. That's where the whole myth started. Second, Marie Antoinette never said, "let them eat cake." Rousseau wrote that exact line 10 full years before she was even born. Revolutionaries stuck it to her decades later to make her hate it. It worked. You still repeat it today. Third, Columbus did not prove the Earth was round. Every educated person on the planet already knew that by 300 BC. Eratosthenes calculated the Earth's circumference within 2% error 1,700 years before Columbus ever set sail. Columbus was just the guy who got lost and stumbled into the wrong continent. Fourth, George Washington did not have wooden teeth. His dentures were ivory, gold, lead, and human teeth pulled from enslaved people. That detail is almost always left out of the textbook paragraph. Fifth, the Great Wall of China is not visible from space. No astronaut has ever seen it with the naked eye from low orbit. NASA has confirmed this over and over. It's too narrow. Sixth, nobody in medieval Europe thought the world would end in the year 1000. Not a single contemporary diary, church record, or letter mentions panic about this date. That entire myth was invented in the 1890s by anti-religious historians. Every one of these was printed in the books you brought home from school. None of them actually happened. If this broke at least one fact you thought was true, hit the like button right now, subscribe. Every week we dig up the lies they didn't tell you.